Welcome to Nnresgi Educational Society's group of institutions. Myself, Suresh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering. In today's lecture, I am going to explain about applications of GIS and GPS in civil engineering. Now we'll see what are the applications and the importance of GIS. Now first we should know what is GIS means. A geographic information system, that is nothing but GIS. It is a system designed to capture, store, manipulate, analyze, manage and present all types of geological data. The keyword to this technology is geography. It means that some portion of data is spatial. That is not spatial data. Whatever the data we have, that is spatial data. The spatial representation of data will be different. I will tell you what is that spatial representation of data, how you will represent the attributes in the real entities into spatial data. In other words, data that is in some way reference to the location of the earth. Coupled with this data is generally tabular data known as attribute. Okay, what I told you, this data is called attribute data. Attribute data can be generally defined as additional information about each of spatial features. Okay, there are, whenever you are collecting this geological information, there will be different types of data. So we need to create some attributes that each data will have some special attributes. If it is the partnership of these two data type that enables GIS to be such an effective problem solving tool through this spatial analysis. Okay, GIS is more than just software. People and methods are combined with geospatial softwares and tools to enable the spatial analysis and management, large database, data sets and display of information in mapping and geological forms. So whatever this GIS is more than just a software. So whatever the information we are collecting, this is regarding to the software. Even these used as softwares, we have these two softwares, that is QGIS, that is Quantum GIS. Quantum Geological Information System. This is an open source software where we can extract this geological information, whatever the photographs we have taken. Not only this QGIS, there is one more software, that is ArcGIS is also used. See, whatever the display information will be in maps and graphical forms. Whatever the information we collect, that will be always in the form of maps or graphical forms only. See, what is this concept of GIS? What is the concept? What can we do with GIS? Okay, what can we do this geological information system? GIS can be used as tool in both problem solving and decision making process. So this GIS will help us for problem solving as well as decision. We can take the appropriate decision for your projects, as well as for visualization of data in spatial environment. Okay, we can visualize the data. What is the real data of that? So if you see this picture, in this picture, it indicating this is the real world. This is real world. It consists of buildings, rivers, forest, roads, everything. So this real world data can be taken, and that is GIS world model. If you see here, this is my GIS world model. In this, what I will do, data slices, means slices is nothing but partitions. Okay, I am doing that slices. This is called real data. That is, this is the total data. I am doing here slices. So first, imaginary elevation. We need to take one imaginary data, then elevation, then transportation. Here in this transportation, only the data which is available regarding to transportation only. Here addresses. What are the addresses? Address we have in that. And boundaries. What is the boundary lines of every point? What is the boundary of forest? What is the boundary of river? And what is the boundary of individual lands and everything? It will be boundaries. That boundaries is known as cadastral maps. Water features. That is water bodies. Wherever your water bodies we have, will show that water features. Survey control points. Even we can show that survey control points where it is. Your data. Whatever the data I want to collect, I can collect the data. Whichever I want to extract from this real data. So this is the model of GIS world model. So geospatial data. What is the geospatial data, also known as geospatial data? It is the information about physical object that can be represented by numerical value in geographic coordinate system. Geospatial data can be analyzed to determine, okay, this data will be analyzed to determine the location of features and relationship to other features, where the most and or least of some features exist. The density of feature in given space. What is the density? How dense it is in the given project? We are going to see the density of that feature also. What is happening inside an area of interest, AOI. We'll call it as AOI, area of interest. What is happening nearby some features or phenomena? We can also see what happening nearby and some features of phenomena, and how this specific area has changed over a time. Okay, what we can check this if for example, if you have taken Hyderabad city before 30 years, the population and infrastructure and everything will be different, and now the if you take now the information of geological information of Hyderabad city, that will be totally different. So the area has been changed over a time. Okay, if the time passes, the ground features will also change. There is a huge development in infrastructure and everything. So we'll discuss so we'll see that mapping where things are. We can map the spatial location of real world features and we visualize the spatial information relationship among them. For example, if you see this map of agricultural districts in green layered over soil type, we can see a visual pattern in the data by determining what soil type are best suitable for AG districts. Okay, what type of soil is agriculture for suitable for agriculture districts? We can see, we can frame that like that, where we can't, where what type of data you want, you can collect and you can be put on these maps. Okay, we'll see, that is the first one. We'll discuss the continuation of this second point in the next class. Thank you.